Robin here with WTI, and I am having a flashback to when I was a kid, and these were popular back then, these little poppet half circles. These are a little smaller than the ones I remember, but they are still a perfect size for little hands. They come in a bunch of different colors, which I think is great. Perfect for little party packs or things like that if you want to put together little gift bags for parties. And then they're also just so much fun. I mean, it's super easy to use. You go ahead, just bend it down and then wait for it to pop off like that. So I super love them. I think they're a lot of fun. Great sensory toy as well for little kids. And then I just love it. It takes me back, which I'm sure it will from most adults out there as well.
We had purchased these for children to use, but honestly, we were having way too much fun with them ourselves. I did notice that the different colors seem to have different heights. I'm not sure if that's whether the colors used just give them different elasticity, but each one got a pretty substantial height on it. Also, varying the surface gives it a different height as well.
Love it. It takes me back, which I'm sure it will from most adults out there as well. But that's just my point of view.